How to remove your comments on Instagram. Hello there. Today we'll teach you how to remove the comments on your Instagram account. First, you need to open the application. When you log in, you need to go to your profile that's on the lower right corner and then go to the three bars menu that is located on the upper corner on the screen. And I need you to go to your activity. From your activity, this is where you will be able to manage your account. You need to click on interactions and go to comments. In order for you to delete the comment, you need to hold the comment that you'd like to be deleted and go ahead and click on delete. Once it notifies you that one comment has been deleted, your comment will be permanently deleted towards your account from there. And that's it. That's how you will be removing or deleting the comment on your account. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.